Hey guys, what is up? It's Tori. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I would love it if you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It'll be right down below. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a favorites video. This isn't like a May or April favorites because it's May 8th. So it's a little late to be doing a April favorites, and some of this stuff I literally got in May, so I'm not going to call them April favorites. It's just a current favorites. I've done one of these videos in the past and I loved it. I'm constantly trying out new products for you guys and for myself. I just like to update you guys of new stuff that I'm really loving, so I hope you guys like these videos too. This goes all the way from beauty favorites to skincare favorites to really random things to perfumes, stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in what I'm currently loving or obsessed with, then keep watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into like kind of like random skincare stuff, if that makes sense. So the first thing that I have is the Soap and Glory Righteous Butter. The Righteous Butter is what it's called. I have really dry skin. I really want to try this out and I fell in love with it. It moisturized my skin so much more than anything else has ever done for me. I purchased this at Target and it was on sale for $10. But I love this stuff. It just moisturizes so well. It gets in all the dry cracks of your skin. If you're somebody who washes your hands constantly because you're a germaphobe like me, you need this stuff. It is amazing. It smells so good. So another random skincare, is this skincare? I guess, because it goes on your skin, kind of product is this Myers hand soap. And I usually use Bath & Body Works soap. So I currently just finished the winter candy apple scent. And I was like, I need to not do another Christmas scent. I can't take it anymore. And I need another soap. So I was shopping around the other day and I came across this. And my friend was like, that's the organic brand that I use. And I really like it. I was like, organic? That's what I need. My mom uses organic because the fragrances aren't really good. And just the ingredients and stuff. So I was like, I'm gonna try it out. It smells like rose petals. It's the peony scent. It smells just like a fresh flower, like I guess a peony. It's so good. I recommend if you like organic skincare stuff to try this out. The next skincare product, this is actually like skincare now, product that I like is the Thayer Witch Hazel alcohol free toner, and I got the rose petal scent. But basically this is a toner for your skin. I usually use micellar water, but this really intrigued me. Dermatologists really recommend using witch hazel on acne prone skin, and I was like, I'll try this, you know, if I have a breakout or even just as a toner. Like, just, I love this stuff. It is so good. I've only been using it for a few days, but I can already tell it's gonna be a favorite. It takes my makeup off. It just tones very well. It removes any excess unwanted makeup that I have when I'm trying to like cleanse my face at the end of the day. It is so good and it hasn't like burnt me out or anything. I thought maybe it would strip my skin of too much oil. Like, I'm very dry, like I said, so I figured that this might like dry me out, but it actually has like some hydration thing in it. It says Thayer's developed this natural toner for healthy looking skin, adding moisture while helping to protect the skin from airborne impurities, and is an alternative to drying astringents, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the opposite of what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to just completely just strip my skin of all the oil and just dry it out even more, but this actually adds moisture while toning, which I love. So if you're like me, definitely go ahead and try this out. Alright, so the next favorite I'm going to get into is perfume. I love this scent so freaking much. I have it in the mini size and then like the medium or the small like size. So basically this little mini one, it doesn't have an applicator. You just like pour it on your skin or like kind of like go like that, you know. Oh, I got too much. Oh my word, the scent is amazing. This is the YSL Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. Everybody and their mother has the scent. It's amazing. I got the smallest size because I got it on sale at the Belk charity event. It's originally $70 for this tiny little bottle, but I got it for $55. So that was great. It smells like coffee and like flowers and vanilla. I don't know. It's just amazing. It's definitely like a sexy kind of like date night scent. I still wear this during the day too, but I love this scent so much. Okay, now for the facial kind of skincare, more makeup geared. I have the Drunk Elephant TLC Glycolic Night Serum. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. I wasn't sure at first because it's such a little tiny bottle and I only use a pump, but I feel like if I had the big bottle I would use 2 pumps and that would just go everywhere. But with 1 little pump I can just mainly get this area of my face. I don't know what it really does for my skin, but I'm loving it. I really don't know what to tell you guys. It's just a night serum and I feel like it just makes my skin like glow, and I'm literally, I love this. I love it. Alright, another kind of skincare makeup product is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a moisturizer mixed with a primer. It's a little expensive. I did get it at the Sephora VIB sale just because it was a little bit more pricier. Some people use this at night and before makeup application, but I notice at night it just doesn't moisturize enough. I feel like if you have oily to normal skin, this would be really, really good for you. But at night, I just need something a little bit more heavy for at night anyways. But under my makeup, this gives me the perfect amount of moisture and hydration while priming at the same time. Under my makeup for dry skin, this is really, really good. Under your makeup for oily skin, I feel like this would be good too. But just at night, for my dry skin, I need something a little bit more heavier. If that makes sense. Does that make any sense? I don't know, I'm probably confusing the heck out of you, but I love this stuff. Alright, I have a lot of skincare, you guys. Another skincare product. I have a lot of skincare products in this video and then a lot of facial skincare. It's just weird. I usually have more makeup, but anyways, I've just been really, really into skin lately, like skin products, skincare. So I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So basically what you do is you literally apply this after your whole skincare. So right before you're getting to bed, after you put your serum and then your moisturizer, whatever your skincare routine is. Obviously, I hope you'd wash your face and take your makeup off before that. And then you apply your serums and your moisturizer, whatever. You apply this. And it says to pat in gently to your skin. Hold on, it's got the instructions. It says, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and AHA to hydrate and smooth skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft result. So, if you have oily skin, you might not need this. But like I said, very, very dry. Anything and everything will help. So I love this. I just dip my little fingernail in it and then apply it on my face and then just kind of pat it in. And it says to wash off in the morning as a sleeping mask. Apply as the final step of the evening routine. For drier skin types, add an additional layer if desired. Pat gently until absorbed. Wash thoroughly in the morning. I never wash my face because it soaks in the product immediately for me. I feel like if you're not dry like me, it's going to be more on top of your skin, more like a mask. But for me, it just soaks it right in. Maybe I need to start adding like 2 or 3 layers. You can also use this as a wash-off mask too. What you do is apply a thick, generous layer to damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. I personally just like this as a sleeping mask. Jaclyn Hill put this in her current favorites. Maybe it was her April favorites. I'm not sure. Whatever video she just posted, she put this in there. And I went out the same day and bought it at Sephora, so I love it. Another skincare moisturizer kind of product that I'm loving is the Estee Lauder Nightwear Plus Antioxidant Night Detox Cream. I used to use the Daywear moisturizer when I had really, really bad acne and I didn't really know what moisturizer to use, and my mom had gotten a sample of that one. So I tried it and just fell in love with it. It was better than any drugstore one I'd ever used, so I just kind of went with it. And I don't know if it really helped my skin, but I really liked the way it made my skin feel. And so recently I discovered this one, and this is the Nightwear one, which is what I needed. Daywear. So I guess this is for the day, and I was using it at night. For normal combination skin, see, this was good when I had acne, because when I had acne, I had really oily skin. Now I have really, really dry skin, just being on so many acne medications when I was younger. So this probably was good for me back then. And this is for all skin types. So the one that I'm using now is apply PM after your repair serum. So basically at night. And then this one is apply AM and PM after your repair serum. Okay, so this is day and night. This one's just night. But I love this. It feels so good. It moisturizes and hydrates all throughout. And I've just been loving this. So it's a great moisturizer. Another skincare product is the Kapoor Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I love this stuff, but this basically takes all the redness away from your face. It helps so much when I don't want to wear makeup. I just put this on my face and it just corrects it so nicely, and I love this stuff. It's sold out right now. I'm so sorry, guys, but just get it when it comes back in stock. It's so worth it. It's a little bit expensive. It is by Dr. Jar. I don't know if I said that, but it's totally worth it. And now we're done with skincare products. Now into makeup. First one is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Vienna, if you guys were wondering. I got 2 samples of this foundation because I just didn't want to buy it because I just bought the Hutta Beauty one, and I just have so many foundations now. I've just been trying so much. It's my favorite makeup product. And I used to just stick with one foundation, but now I've just been branching out. But so many people have loved this, especially if they have dry skin. I'm just like, that is what I needed. So I got 2 samples of it. One was in the shade Yukon, and it was just too light for me, but it was the perfect kind of undertone, if that makes sense. But then I got another sample, and I got the shade V. My camera died, and I was talking, and I was on to the next product before I realized it, so I don't really know where I left off. I think I was saying that I found the shade Vienna. Perfect shade for me. It's just the perfect combination of my undertones. It's a little... It came off a little yellow to me at first, and I was like, oh crap, this is very yellow. But then it just kind of like blended into my skin so nicely and just turned my color, as you guys can see. That's what I'm wearing right now. Very buildable. You can go from very light coverage to very full coverage. And I love this product. This is a great everyday foundation. I do love my Huda Beauty foundation so much, but people were saying that it caused acne and broke them out and like clogged their pores, and I was like, okay, I'm not going to be using that every day. But I don't know if it broke me out. Who knows? But I didn't want to use it every day for that reason. But it's very full coverage. But so is this. So I love this for every day. Alright, the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Anastasia and Emrezy highlighter. And you guys, no matter what skin tone you are, fair or dark, you need this. It reminds me so much of Champagne Pop, but more... No, not more blinding. More blinding on me because I'm very pale, and like Champagne Pop was a little too golden for me, and this one's a little bit more champagne-y, and it's just beautiful. Let me show you guys. My hands aren't even... Look at... Oh my word. I just like lightly did that. It's just beautiful on the skin. Look how pigmented. You guys need this in your life. I believe it was like $28, which was kind of expensive. But I've been using this every day since I got it. I usually use the Hourglass Trio. You guys have been on my channel for a long time. You know that's been my favorite, and I've been using it this whole year. But I really do like this a lot. I like my Hourglass one too, but this is my current favorite right now. Okay, the last product that is makeup related that I'm going to talk about is the Kapoor Ii Lip Gloss. It says lip glossy. Basically, I'm not really sure what this is. A lot of people use it as like a lip mask treatment at night, like the Laneige one that I have, but a lot of people use this as a lip gloss. A lot of people use this as a chapstick. Whatever you want to use it for, it works. It works as all of those. I've used them. I've used it as all of those. I will say that my Laneige lip sleeping mask is a little bit more moisturizing and hydrating for my dry lips. My lips are very dry. This is very moisturizing though, like insanely moisturizing. It just doesn't last as long as the Laneige does. The Laneige is very, not greasy, but like creamy and very moisturizing, and this is more like a gloss formula. But this is so good. It smells like coconut oil because it's made with coconut oil, I believe. Jaclyn Hill put this and the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask in her favorites video, and I'm going to unbox both of them the same day. No shame. Okay guys, so that is it for this favorites video. If you guys liked it, please make sure and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next from me down in the comments below. I've had a few requests that I'm working on right now. I have so many exciting videos coming for you guys. You really want to be subscribed, so you stay tuned. I have a partnership coming up for you guys that I'm going to be doing. My first ever partnership. That'll probably be the next video you see after this. But I'm just so excited. I have so many amazing fun videos coming out for you guys. Stay tuned and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Take away the pain. Every time the pain. Touch me like you know.